In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam not launching. If Steam won't open or keeps getting stuck, we'll walk through a clean, reliable process to get it running again. We'll start by closing any background processes. Then try launching it with elevated permissions and finally refresh Steam's core files while keeping your games safe. First, make sure Steam isn't lingering in the background. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together. If you see a simplified view, click More Details to expand it. Look for anything with the Steam name, such as the main Steam process or Steam Web Helper. Right-click each one and choose End Task. This clears out anything frozen or stuck from a previous session and ensures we start fresh. Next, try running Steam with administrator privileges. Right-click the Steam icon, whether that's on your desktop taskbar or in the Start menu, and select Run as Administrator. If a security prompt appears, confirm it. Running as admin can resolve permission issues that prevent Steam from updating itself or writing to required folders. If Steam opens normally here, great, you are done. If it still won't launch, we'll refresh Steam's program files without touching your game library. Open File Explorer and go to C Drive Program Files, x86 Steam. If you installed Steam in a different location, navigate to that folder instead. Inside the Steam folder, select and delete everything except 2 items. Keep Steam, exe and the Steam Apps folder. Do not delete Steam Apps, this is where your installed games and content live. Leaving Steam.exe in place lets Steam rebuild itself the next time it starts. And keeping Steam Apps ensures you won't have to re-download your games. After you've removed those files and folders, restart your PC. A restart clears any lingering locks on files and ensures services reset properly. When you are back on the desktop, open the Steam folder and double-click Steam.exe. Steam will recreate the missing components and fetch any necessary updates. This might take a few minutes, so let it complete. You may be asked to sign in again, that's normal. Your library and installed games should still be intact since we preserved the Steam Apps folder. If your library is on another drive, Steam will typically detect it automatically once it finishes rebuilding. That's it. Thanks for watching.